Good day and good evening, dudes and dudettes and hello. I have some good news to tell you. I got my car out the shop. Yay for me. About damn time. It's been in the shop for 2 damn months. And a bit, you know, it was driving me crazy because I ain't had a ride, you know, to ride. So I'm just thankful it's out the shop. It's running. The only thing I need to get done to it is put some shocks on it, which that won't be too much. So that right there, swish swish, swish swish. And but other than that, the car's running good. Car sounds good. Car's good. Good. Now I can go hit these streets. Nah, I ain't gonna hit these streets. I just I can finally go out, go ride around. Do stuff like that now and be free once again. Instead of being cooped up in this house, I can be free once again. Um, it's all good. It's all good. But yeah, that that's the good news for now. Uh, so maybe this weekend I'm gonna probably go out this weekend. I don't know yet. I ain't decided for sure if I want to go out this weekend. But because there's a big party coming up in like 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. A big old party that I do want to go to. So if I don't go out this weekend, I'm going to that party. I'm going to that party regardless if I go out this weekend or not, because it's the social event party for the gays. It's called the Pink Party. But yeah, I'm gonna go to that, get my drink on, and have a good time, like I always do when I go out. Dance, talk, socialize, maybe make out with a few people. When I drink, that's what I do. When I don't drink, I don't do that when I don't drink. When I'm sober, I'm like this. This is me right here in my bedroom. But when I drink, I'm flirty. I'm talkative. You know, I'm very liberation. You know, I put myself more out there when I'm drinking than when I'm sober. When I'm sober, I'm more of the I'm gonna go stand in the corner and I'm gonna be all shy and everything. And I really don't like. I will not. I probably will not approach you if I'm sober. Probably not. You'll have to come to me. But when I'm drunk, there's a 50-50 chance of me approaching you or you approaching me. But I will flirt with you, may make out with you, but it probably won't go any further than that. Because because I've had it go further than that in some situations. The last time I made out with somebody at the bar, I made out with a dude's boyfriend, but the boyfriend was out of town working, and they had this deal like, hey, you can do this and don't do, and it would have went further, but he came with his friends. He said if he didn't come with his friends, we would have hooked up. So missed opportunity there, but it worked out for the best because and here's the thing, when I go out, I tell guys that I'm HIV positive because I think that's the right thing to do. I don't want you know, ooh, come find out they mad at me. No, I want to tell you up front what I got, and if you don't want to talk to me, that's fine. I'm not gonna get mad over it. It is what it is. But if you still want to talk to me, you still want to flirt me, I'm gonna flirt back. I'm gonna just keep talking. And if you say, well, we can just flirt, make out, and that's it, I'm cool with that. You know, like I'm not gonna put that person in that situation where we have to go further. I'm not. But when I drink, I'm a little flirty. Just give me a dance floor. I'm good. get my drink in my hand. I'm twerking and shaking and dipping and rolling. I'm just everything. I pretend like there's nobody else on the floor. It's just me. I'm just having a good time. I'm a fun person when I'm drinking. I've never been one of evil, mean drunk. Always been the happy, let's dance, let's party, where the party, kind of people drinking, and that's who I am. So I don't know what I want to do this weekend if I want to go out, but I know I'm going to the pink party in a couple of weeks. I know I'm going to that, and it's packed. I mean, the building from front to back, there's no walking room. Once you in there and they come in, you're stuck in one spot all night in one spot because the the building is not it's long but not wide enough. So, but they'll open the back and there'll be people outside in the back, and they'll have it fenced off, and it's packed there. There's a line outside. There's people outside, but it's fun. It's I went about 7, 6, 7, no, 8, 9 years ago. Yeah, I went 9. I went 8 years ago. No, I went. I went 7 years ago. I got there super early. Like I was like that first one there because I like to be the first one at a place when it opens up, like a bar. Definitely a bar because that's what it is, a bar. And by 11:30, I got there like 9:30. It opens up at they opened up a little bit early, but I got there at 9:30. By 11:30, mm mm, dude, mm. It was wall to wall people, and people were still coming in. Like if you had to pee, guess what? You go pee in your damn pants, really, unless you can worm your way to the bathroom. And the bathroom was full of people. Basically, we were touching butt to butt, front to butt, front to front. I mean, everybody was touching each other, and it was a blast. Though. I had fun. So I want to go back again because that was my single. I was single at that time, and I was living my life. I mean, I was living my best life, as a single person. And shortly after that, that's when I got in my relationship for 4 years, and I missed out on a lot. I'm not saying my that I didn't like my relationship or nothing. No, I'm not saying that. It's just because of my relationship, I cut people out of my life. I stopped going to places because I didn't want to interrupt, disturb, mess up this relationship I was having. So, but but I have a feeling about the new relationship that it'll be a better, it'll be more compromises and stuff in the new relationship. So we'll see how the new relationship will go when I get into it. But yeah, so that's everything. And if you live in the Tuscaloosa area, you know where the pink party is. Come on out or come this weekend. Talk, drink, hang out, party, dance, make out. It don't matter, you know. But I am trying my best to really save my well, not save, but ah, I'm waiting on one person. That's who I'm waiting on. One person, really, because he knows who it is. The dragon, you know who you are, and it's just I can't wait to meet you and see where this thing between us goes and blossoms into and everything. And I hope it blossoms into something, and because we already have a connection, And I done said it in previous videos, like every time we talk, you send me a picture or a video or anything, it puts a smile on my face. You put a smile on my face. Just thinking about you put a smile on my face. You sent me a song yesterday. I cried. I listened to it first time. I didn't hardly hear the words, so I listened to it the second time, and I actually listening to the words. I started crying. Then I listened again and again and again. I cried for a good 5 minutes. Listening to that song you said yesterday, and it just stuff like that makes me fall for you even more. And I just can't wait to meet you and see where we can take this relationship of ours to, or where it goes. And yeah, it's just see, you got me lost for words, man. You got me lost for words. So just want to say, can't wait, cannot wait. Well, that's the end of the video. That's all I want to say is that I have my car finally at the shop. I may be going out this weekend. I am going to the pink party and Dragon. You know what it is between me and you. You do. So there you go, boo. There you go, boo. Mwah. All right. Alrighty, folks. Like, comment about whatever you want to comment. It does not matter to me. Like it, subscribe. You know what to do already. So, with that being said, guys, bye.